All right, today we're swapping out a headlight bulb on a 2019 Subaru Impreza. It's the same from 2017 to 2020. So if you have a vehicle in that year range, it's the same. This side, you have to take this off. So I'm going to do this side here to show you how to do that. But then the driver's side would just be right here. So same process. You just have to take this air intake off. So first thing we got to do is pop these little clips. I got this one popped off to kind of show you what it is. You unscrew this a quarter turn, and then you have to pop this head up so it releases the bottom. So I'm going to go ahead and do this side. Quarter turn, comes up, and then pop. Let's see, did it come up? Pop. These things are so annoying. You have to get it just right. And pop. Oh, yes. Okay. So there we go. We got that popped out. And because of that, I'd recommend doing it two-handed. I'm filming with one hand, prying these guys out. So we got that out. Then we have to take off the air intake, this guy, and this you kind of just wiggle and it pops out. This piece slides into that piece like so. So we got that out. So this guy right here is the bulb, and we're gonna twist it going that way, this fastener. You'll get a better look at it once I get it out. So whoop. So I got that out. That is the bulb right there. It's not great to touch the bulb on stuff. So what you have to do is you have to wedge a screwdriver into here to unclip this bulb. This black piece and this bulb are all one piece. So it all comes out and should come with your replacement bulb. This right here, that right there, that right there is the clip that needs to get undone. So it might be nice to have a smaller screwdriver, but you pry it in there. You gotta push and pull and finagle up, and there it comes out. So I'll show you what this looks like. That is the clip right there. This is the whole bulb. As you can see, that's a H11. I'll put a link in the description to an Amazon. So we grab our new bulb. Putting it in is much easier because you just get it in place. You get it in place here, and then you push down and it clips in. Then you put it back into the hole. All right, and if you look in here, it is, let's see if I can find a good angle. You can actually guide the bulb in from here. I got my arm around here, kind of get the bulb in first, and then you have to get the little notches to line up. And boom, it's kind of hard to see. Sorry about that, but you have to get it in with your hand from this angle, cock it this way, so you'll feel the notches set in, and then twist it. Super hard to see under here, but that's it right here. So the same goes for this side. You gotta have to reach in there, finagle it out, pop the little clip. This is the driver's side. So now let's throw this guy back on. And this guy, the way this fits, this actually fits kind of in this groove and then on there. And then these guys, kind of wiggle them into place. You want to make sure all of these prongs get into here. And then you just push down and those are on. Give this a quarter turn tight, and that's it. So that's how you swap a light bulb out on a Subaru Impreza 2019. If you have any questions, feel free. I'll put a link in the description for the bulb, and we'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.